After having read many books on Ataturk, I developed a great deal of respect for this status person who seemed to be ahead of this time. Does Huzur agree that such a man was necessary for his time regarding the political and religious climate of that period?
If the word religious is removed, then I would agree. He did nothing for religion. In fact, according to my study of him, he was not a believer in God and did not believe in practicing Islam at all. According to authentic reports about him, he never said prayers, he indulged in debauchery, he did everything which Islam prevents and did nothing which Islam orders. But he was a national hero. As far as the political survival of the Turkish Ottoman Empire was concerned, and as far as saving the nationhood of Turkey, the nation of Turkey, Turkish people, from the British conquest is concerned, he is the one who built a solid wall against European invasion of Turkey. So his services are great indeed. The Turkish people should bow their head to his political services, which he performed. Like every nation has its own political heroes, and their religion does not matter at all. Every nation has some hero who has worked for their political stability and political advantages, etc. So this was the national hero of Turkey. But to attribute to him religion is absolutely false. He did nothing for religion. And the religion does not matter at all.
ولا قيمة للدين في تلك الخدمات التي يقدمونها لصالح شعبهم وأرضهم ووطنهم.
Now, this time is over, but you should find time to meet me regarding these programs and other programs, similar programs in Germany, elsewhere. We have to find out some ways and means whereby, as far as possible, the questions are not again. And I find it difficult to say all these things again, which have been collected into a huge mass. So when I have to speak only partly on those questions, some listeners may not be fully convinced because I have not touched other things about them. So these are the problems which I am facing these days, and I wonder whether these programs should be continued like this, or they should be discontinued, and only when a few questions are gathered which are meaningful, we launch a program. That's another possibility. There's one other possibility to write to those Arabs who have only contacted us through this program, that if they want these programs to continue, please send us the questions which bother them. So only in that limited sense we will answer those questions. All these things have to be considered from every angle, and if Kawabir wants this continuation, then they must think of many new questions which are really new. Okay? Jazakallah.